Okay, now we are introduce the leader system. We, from beginning. Okay. we can only get some simple introduction for the system. We often use cannot introduce by video for the whole function. Okay, like now first is here language. When we open, after the first is here. Okay, this one 2 general. When we edit the program, we here language we used. Okay, language. And this one we use move, rotate here. Move, rotate here. Keyboard 0 large distance 0.5 millimeter. That means when we press the up and down here. When we press the up and down, right and left and right, this one, how much it will go? This is we used. Okay, we can set bigger if we want. Others rotate degree. If needed, we can use it. Okay. And then we like the cells. We use this object list. We use the circle like now. This will make a circle. Here is the position. This is the cleaning area. The circle is inside, it can mark. If it is outside, cannot clean. Okay, this is the position. Sorry. This is size here. Size like our cells, like our battery cell. We can choose 6 or 7 diameter. We input 7. Here input by input. Okay, 7. And because we cleaning is total is not a circle, it is total surface. We choose this one, H here. We choose which one? Technical, enable. Okay, we see here it goes to black. Okay, full black. This area is what we made. And we can see for battery pack, like this battery pack, we have many 20. We use this function, use transfer, not use array. Here is sorry. Here is array. We not use this. Actually, I do not suggest. We use this. We just suggest what we use. Okay, we use this modify, and transform, okay. Transform, this is by center. We use this one, center. Okay. Here, center. And relative position, like X. Like our this one is 20. We put input 20. X 20. Apply to copy object. See? Like now we made 5. And if we want to make more, apply like this. We need to delete this one, okay. And we need to make transfer. Okay, here, transform. Central, white, negative 40. Okay. Oh, here to 0. Here input 0. Okay. Sorry, because I want to introduce more clearly, so I made some more mistaken we might happen. Okay, like now X 4 negative 40. Okay, apply. Like now made 4, and then X Y 0 X 40. Okay, apply to copy, and then Y 20 negative X 1. X 20. And then Y. And then YX. Okay, like now we made these marks, okay, these positions. We made this position, and we need to, this is a power here, this side. We'll use default power. Normally here, power we select 20 or 30 or 10. We can try the, here is the power, how we see here. We can try the N to see what's the result. Try the power selected. Okay. After we change, normally we use change power here. Like now we change 10 or 25. Here, selected parameter from library. Apply to default. If we apply to default, then default is like this. Okay. Use default is 25. Okay, after this we will find the position. Okay, find the position to, we use F1 lighting. F1 lighting means alarm, Wait for one. sorry. Like here. Here is just now the program. We need to change it to English. 菜单 0 0 and press repeat. Okay, here menu 0. Press this for 5 seconds. It turn to English. Okay. English edit here. Go to just now the IO on need more than 1 second. Okay, more than 1 second. If not, the signal might not transfer successfully. Okay. Now we go to the first position. Is here. Move. Move the selected instruction. Yes. It move to the they measure moves. Yes. You see. Okay. Now the camera goes to the position for the first position. Now we can see here. Here is the red light. Okay. The red light. This is for alarm. And now we press F1 lighting, F1, F2, F3 we need to handle. See? F1, F2, F3 we need to handle. Now we press F1, okay? When we press F1, it shows like this. Shows like this. It's for align the. We need to find the position. Okay, now we can see the. Sorry. The position we can see here is not right. We use one by one. Okay. We check here. Here we select here. We see. Mark. Select. Total. Continuous. When we choose total, when we choose part, choose this one, the first one. The first one. It is like this. Okay, can we see? Like this. We choose this one. Choose the selected, mark selected, and press F1. You see, press F1. You see here. This is the first one. This is the first one. First one position. Now we need to adjust the position. Adjust the position to match the sails. Sorry, I have to change my camera. Mark here to this one, right? Okay. We try choose all. To remove. Okay, F1. We see it's steel. Steel. Okay, it's close, and we press up and down here, up and down. As just now we said, one is 0.5 millimeter. Okay, we just keep press it. Okay, now we see it's close. Okay. And stop. Now we check another one, check the second one. Press F1. Okay, it's also need to adjust. Maybe just now we try here. Okay, we need to check. We need to check everyone till is okay. Which is the last one. Last one is here. Just now we only edit like this. Okay. If it's not aligned, we need to adjust it. Okay. This is after aligned, we can start. After aligned the position, we can try start marking. Okay. Like now we select all, press F1. It will show all the alignment. We can check whether it is okay. Okay, the set might be a bit complex.